Understanding desalination, turning seawater into fresh water. Are you curious about how we can turn salty ocean water into fresh water? Desalination is the solution. Today we'll explore how this process works and why it's important. Desalination removes salt and impurities from seawater. This provides fresh water. Many countries face water scarcity. Desalination can help meet this demand. Let's break down the process step by step. First, seawater is collected. Next, it undergoes pre-treatment. This removes large particles like seaweed and dirt. After pre-treatment, the seawater is pressurized. It then enters a desalination unit. The two main methods used are reverse osmosis and distillation. In reverse osmosis, water is forced through a special membrane. This membrane blocks salt but allows fresh water through. It's efficient and widely used. In distillation, seawater is heated until it evaporates. The steam is collected and it condenses into fresh water. While effective, it often requires more energy. Both methods produce fresh water, but they have different energy needs and costs. Imagine a country with limited water resources. Desalination plants offer a reliable water supply. It helps in agriculture and drinking. This is crucial for growing populations. Countries like Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, and Israel rely heavily on desalination for water. Some coastal areas of the United States, Australia, Spain, Italy, Chile, India, and China also use desalination for water. Summing up, desalination converts seawater into fresh water. It involves collecting, treating, and processing. Using methods like reverse osmosis or distillation, this technique supports communities. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing for more insights. Desalination is a key technology for our water needs.